Shri Sai Ram. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam. Now we are going to see the third part of the history of life on earth. First we will see the home assignment answers. The first question, it was asked, when did earth form? Earth formed around 4.5 billion years ago. What caused the earth to tilt? It is during the initial stage of planet formation, that is around 4.5 billion years ago, earth was impacted by another planet which is known as Theia, and this caused the earth to tilt to an angle. Okay, this was the answer. Now we will see the objective of today's learning. We are going to see the physical conditions of the primitive earth, how the earth was in the olden days. Primitive means olden days. After the moon and earth formed, the earth was in a constant heavy bombardment with so many other celestial bodies, and the impact happened in the moon as well, that is known as lunar cataclysm. That means a disaster or a disturbance which happened to earth and moon. For nearly 700 million years, that is up to 3.8 giga years, earth experienced this frequent catastrophic bombardment by other celestial bodies and meteorites. And during that time, the time period was known as Neogen and Eocene era. When we are talking about the earth, the first formed structure around the earth is the atmosphere, right? We will see how the atmosphere have formed around the earth. The newly formed earth did not have any true atmosphere around it. The gases which were dissolved in the magma, that is the molten rock which is present in the center of the earth now also, that oozed out as a lava, right? It escaped from the volcano, then it is known as lava. It was having so much of different kind of gases which was present. For long time, most of the volcano were underwater, and the early earth atmosphere was much thicker than now what it was. Then the earth crust slowly started forming. The volcano outgassing was responsible for the formation of the earth crust. Outgassing, that is the new word we are learning here. The water trapped inside the magma and the larvae along with other minerals erupted, and that process is known as outgassing. As more water was outgassing, the mantle solidified. The material that initially stayed in the liquid phase during this process, because the magma was very enormous temperature, high temperature, in that all the elements, different kind of gases, everything was in its liquid form which is trapped inside the larvae. These elements are known as incompatible elements. Ultimately, it formed a brittle earth crust, that is easy to break, right? Glasses are brittle. So, you can know the terminologies as well. The volcano outgassing produced many gases around the earth's surface. These gases accumulated around the earth, and mostly they are methane, ammonia and hydrogen cyanide. All these three gases are very lethal. Apart from that, we could able to see carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide also formed in that atmosphere during the very early stage of earth's development. Then the water droplets which was trapped inside the earth, when it reaches the outer surface, because it is a vapor form, it tried to escape, right? When it is moving away from earth, it became cold, and then it formed a rain and it fall onto the flowing lava on the surface of the earth, which caused the earth again to make the water droplet into vapor form. This process was repeated so many times, and eventually the earth crust have formed because it cooled, the water which fall on the earth cooled the surface. Okay, and then this water vapor, which always we will also see like it will form a cloud around our earth, right? You know the various process which happens during the formation of rain. In the initial atmosphere, a process known as photolysis was happening because sun was present, it produced so much of light, right? When we are keeping our dress also, when we are making it to dry under sun, we can see it is becoming faded, right, eventually. That is known as photolysis. The same process happened in the primitive earth also. That time nobody was drying their cloth. Instead of that, what was present in the earth was having so much of carbon dioxide, right? This carbon dioxide, which was underwent a photolysis, and oxygen was developed. This oxygen initially, which formed around the earth, was absorbed by various different kind of elements which is present on the earth, and especially the iron which is present around the earth, which got oxidized. And when sufficient oxygen was present to oxidize all the different kind of element, then oxygen started accumulating in the atmosphere. The atmosphere we can know as stratosphere, right? Various layers which is formed around the earth. So hence it is known as stratosphere. And then the sunlight, when eventually oxygen got accumulated, it acted on the oxygen molecule and formed ozone. When a thick ozone layer formed around the earth, it prevented the harmful ultraviolet radiation to reach the earth. The first evidence of a vascular plant which is formed in the earth is approximately 400 million years ago. You can know this symbol, right? This is known as approximately. A bulk of oxygen molecule which is formed by the process known as photosynthesis. This green plant has an ability to trap the carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight to form glucose and oxygen. The oxygen did not build up in the earlier atmosphere for a very long time, as it was absorbed by the rock such as iron, which is known as banded rock, which is in the oceanic oxidization to produce Fe2O3 ions, O3 compound, and which is known as red bed. Because of the color, we can able to get the word. Now also we can see the rusted nails and everything is little brownish red in color, right? It was not until approximately 1 billion years ago that was the reservoir of oxidizable rock become saturated with all this oxygen, then free oxygen started liberating into the atmosphere. Then the continents started forming on the surface of the earth. The larvae flowing from a partially molten interior solidified and formed a thick crust. Initially it formed a brittle crust that we have seen in the previous slides. Now it formed a thick crust. The weathering by rainfall broke up and altered the rock, and then the end result is continent and land mass started appearing on the surface of the earth. Okay students, we came to the end of the presentation. Now I have a home assignment for you. The question is, what are the gases which is present on the atmosphere in the primitive earth? Okay, complete that home assignment and hopefully we will meet in the next presentation. Thank you for watching. Om Sri Sai Ram.